Enjo Inbox is an incredibly useful tool that brings together all your customer interactions, from Slack, Teams, email, and web chat, into a single, cohesive workspace. So, if your team is communicating with customers across these various channels, you can effortlessly view every conversation right within the inbox. To dive into the inbox, just click Inbox on the left sidebar. You'll notice a number next to it, which tells you how many open conversations are awaiting responses. Think of this screen as your control hub for all customer interactions. At the top, there's an All drop-down menu, allowing you to change views and toggle between different inboxes. Here, you have the ability to filter conversations using several criteria. You can check out all conversations from different platforms, view the ones specifically assigned to you, or look at those an AI agent is currently handling. Conversations that haven't been picked up by any team member are visible under Unassigned. Through the Switch Inbox section, you can move between different inboxes. If your organization operates multiple AI agents, like separate ones for payroll or HR support, you can switch to the appropriate inbox by selecting its name. Once you've selected the correct AI agent's inbox, you'll see all related conversations displayed. You can then sort these conversations by their order. Using the sorting feature allows you to position the newest conversations at the top. Alternatively, you can sort by oldest activity to bring up older chats, or waiting longest to pinpoint conversations that have been awaiting a response for the longest time. That wraps up sorting. Now, for example, you can see the conversation from April 1st at the top because it's been waiting the longest. Additionally, filters are available to help you fine-tune the conversation list further. The filter section is split into 3 categories: status, channels, and AI. Under status, you can choose to see open, closed, or all conversations. The channels filter lets you specify where the conversation originated. You can filter conversations by their source, such as Slack, Team, website, Salesforce, or API. The AI filter lets you see how AI managed each interaction, whether it provided an answer, was unsure, or didn't take action. These basic filters offer a detailed way to manage your conversations. When you open a conversation, you'll notice a language selector at the top, indicated by a flag icon. This lets you set the conversation's language as needed. Enjo provides real-time translation of messages in both directions, ensuring your team can respond in the customer's language while the customer reads messages in theirs. If you switch the language, the translation feature will adjust seamlessly. You'll visibly see that the message has been translated, ensuring a smooth communication flow. Now, let's try selecting a different agent to see how it operates. Here, for the selected agent, a different language has been chosen. This filter shows whether the conversation is resolved or still pending. In this case, the conversation has been resolved. On the right side, you'll find a detail section that provides agent assist details. If a conversation is assigned to a specific agent, it will appear here, currently assigned to Santhan, a live agent in this instance. Within the user details section, you can see the user's name, email, and phone number if provided, as well as the date and time of the conversation. There's also space for private notes for internal use. These notes are strictly for internal communication, invisible to the customer. They're useful for sharing context or flagging issues before reassigning a task. The User Channels section shows the conversation's source. In this case, the conversation started from a web chat. Any attachments or shared files during the conversation will appear here. The Linked Tickets section indicates if a ticket has been created in any connected help desk, like Jira, Zendesk, or Salesforce. If there are no linked tickets, this section will simply state, "No linked tickets." The second panel on the right is the Agent Assist panel, which provides pre-prepared context to help your team respond efficiently without having to read the entire conversation. Right now, the ticket is not assigned to a human agent. An AI agent has already provided a response, but if it's unassigned, you can change the assignee and configure a human agent to take over. Adding a live agent is straightforward. Just follow the steps, and the live agent will be added successfully. With the live agent added, if you go back to the inbox section, you'll see the agent assigned. A summary will appear, detailing the AI agent's assistance and the nature of the conversation, and brief of the overall conversation. Now let's click back on Inbox. Here you'll find the global inbox settings where you can add live agents. You have the option to either keep conversations unassigned until a live agent picks them up, or to select the auto-assign option. In the auto-assign section, if no live agent is available, either the agent admin or any live agent can manually select the unassigned messages from the inbox.